Hi there, Jack from Angel Home Solution here. Are you looking to sell your house? And you are wondering, whether the buyer is direct cash buyer, whether they're gonna lowball you afterward, whether they are a serious cash buyer with credibility. I suggest that you reach out to Angel Home Solution and also, read our review from our professional, circle, right? We have a lot of lending institute testimonial that they recommended us. They find working with us is a great partner. Outstanding reputation in real estate investing in the industry, trustworthy, and we have proven record of buying property, having rental, with our property management and stuff too. So they manage our portfolio. We treat people right, and there's always a circle, right? Whatever you do will come back to you. So that's what we believe. We believe in helping people, and we are active cash buyer. We work with Wadot and other cash buyer in the area. And if you have any question, please reach out to these professionals. You can find their contact in our page. If you need any resource and whatnot too, please reach out, and I'll make sure you get the same profit, benefit from them. That's what they give us. Best of all, we just love to give back and help people, right? Whatever we can. There is another case also where Scott was the one that we just recently helped. He inherited his home from his dad who passed away. May he rest in peace. We were able to come to agreement on what he won. We have offered them from the get-go. We're not playing the game. We're not lowballing. It's just straightforward. Be transparent. Be open. And offer exactly what we can do. And we stick with that. And he considered that a fair deal. He did, talk around with people getting multiple offer and whatnot too. But he considered our offer is a fair deal. And he was shaking, with whether we can guarantee that price or not on what we offer. Will we then lowball him at the end of the process, right? He was concerned about that. So we were able to address that. He earned my respect. He was honest with me. So in return, I promised him he earned my word. So we're going to close with 250. We were not like other investor who, gonna lowball you, afterward because they didn't set it up right. The only way we can do that, because we spend the effort up front to evaluate the house, what it needed, and what are the costs in the transaction. And then, we show Scott exactly what we are making. So we are open book, and, that gives us the confidence to commit to what we offer, and there is no issue in us closing that deal. It is simply the trust, right? He also mentioned, he had multiple offer, and one of them actually 10,000 more than what I am offer. But he still, believe in us and go with our route. He has no interest in asking for more from me. Although I was, telling him that we might be able to reduce our profit down, so we can, at least probably give him more. But he understands where we stand and the amount of work needed for the house, and he considered our offer. He find our offer to be fair, and we are very competitive. It's not the lowest, and it's not the highest. Which we just want to be straightforward upfront, and that pay off. The honesty, the open mind, and the open book, and the mind, the heart that want to help people, right? It definitely paid off. And for some reason he just wanted to stick around with me, and I am grateful for that. And, we're not going to screw him up. We're not going to screw ourselves. We're not going to screw our reputations. So we are excited. As soon as the probate attorney give us a green light, we will close on the property and start working right away. So what we did promise God on this as well is, as soon as we got the green light from the probate attorney, that we can buy the house, we will release him $10,000, so he can use that money to deposit for his fifth wheeler that he was planning to do. He have a good course, a good faith, a good plan to go around the country with his fifth wheeler, and just help people in his dad's situation. He has a nursing practitioning, nursing certification, so he wants to go in that business, and we are grateful that we can impact these kind of people, so that he can impact other people, with the proceed that he was expecting. He will be in a good way, in the right track. So I am so happy for him. But don't trust my word. Reach out to me and find out whether we are the best fit for you, right? If we're not, if we are not offering what you're looking for, obviously I don't need to buy your house. But if you are looking for a real cash buyer that can perform, and we are not playing this game, we will, tell you exactly what we can do, and we're gonna stick with that. And performance is the key. If you're looking for performance, and if you are looking for insurance, right, the trustability, the confidence, and therefore you can plan ahead without, having that failed plan because somebody couldn't perform for you. Please, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help you out. And you can always follow us on Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn as well at Angel Home Solution. Like I said, we have tools to solve real estate issue, whatever your real estate issue is. Again, thank you. I thank you so much for the time and opportunity, and hopefully, we can help you as we help Scott, right?